New evidence was released today in the investigation into George Floyd's death. It's the transcript from the body camera of a rookie officer who helped arrest Floyd. One legal expert calls the information damaging, and it may help the officer who came forward. The lawyer for former Minneapolis police officer Thomas Lane has given a judge transcripts reported by Lane's body cam. They reveal Derek Chauvin, who held his knee on George Floyd's neck for nearly 9 minutes, told him to, quote, "Stop yelling. It takes a heck of a lot of oxygen to talk." When Lane asked if Floyd should be turned onto his side, Chauvin said, "No, he's staying put right where we got him." And when Lane said Floyd might be in distress, Chauvin said, quote, "Well, that's why we got an ambulance coming." Lane's attorney says his client had only been on the force for 4 days, and he believes charges of aiding and abetting should be dismissed.
My client knows through his training and his education that you have a right to use reasonable force. So he's feeling that what Chauvin is doing is accurate.
CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman.
I think this is a smart move on the part of Thomas Lane's lawyers to say, look, Thomas Lane's a rookie. Thomas Lane was trying to do the right thing from the very beginning. And if Derek Chauvin had not shown up and had not been the senior officer, George Floyd would still be alive.
Kleeman believes the tape is terribly damaging for Derek Chauvin's defense.
It shows that Derek Chauvin was determined, as by the way, the lead officer, the senior officer, the training officer, he was determined, no matter what else was happening, that he was going to keep George Floyd on the ground with his knee on George Floyd's neck.
Prosecutors have until August 10th to respond to this new evidence. In honor of George Floyd, one man is walking from Huntsville, Alabama to the spot where Floyd died in Minneapolis. He's calling it the 1K Mile March because he will end up walking 1,000 miles for change, justice, and equality. Terry Willis started out more than a month ago, stopping in several cities and meeting people along the way. He says his goal at the end of his journey is very simple: unity. Can't argue with that.